Hey, let me show you how we can input SIM card into your POCO X6. So first you will have to prepare the SIM tool. You can actually find it all in the box. And this SIM tray is located at the bottom next to the USB-C port. So we'll have to simply input this SIM tool into this hole, like this. And then we'll have to gently press on it. If it doesn't work, just release and try to do this one more time. There we go. Now we can use our fingernails, grab this SIM tray and open it. Now on this smartphone we can input actually 2 SIM cards. So we have to put these gold pins upside down, just like this. Oh no, that's my bad actually. We have to put it into the face, and this side. So that's how it looks. It's completely flat when you put it correctly. And now to put it back, just remember to put this, I'm gonna put it a little bit closer, this face to screen, so in this position. So that's how it looks. Take a look. Now just press on it and your SIM card is inside. And that's all right now. Please subscribe to my channel and see you in the next one.